Hello there, people of YouTube. This is Zingy909 here, bringing you a new video in a new series called Stupid Stuff. And this is episode 1 called Wonderful Weather We Are Having. Okay? So this is the weather. It is really, really bad. There's a leaf right there. There's a leaf. Just putting up Christmas lights. Okay, and it's been raining, as you can see. It's been raining, it's been snowing. And I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a guy back there. Okay, and this has been episode 1 of weird and crazy weather we are having. So just stop in. I will probably put up another video today, maybe tomorrow or sometime this weekend, just about probably some stupid thing. If you have any requests for videos, and make them reasonable and not something stupid, like jumping off my roof, don't make it that. So just comment, subscribe, give it a 5 stars, and hit that like button. Oh, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button because it is free. It does not cost any money. Okay? Zingy out. See ya, guys.